Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to add Cash App to Google Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, it's important to understand that you cannot add your Cash App balance directly. You can only add your Cash Card, which is the debit card linked to your Cash App account. So make sure you already have an active Cash Card before moving forward. Now, open the Google Wallet app on your phone. Once you're inside, tap on the Add or Plus icon to add a new card. Then choose Payment Card. Here, select New Debit or Credit Card option. At this point, your phone's camera may open so you can scan your card. If you prefer, you can tap on Enter Details manually instead. Next, enter your Cash Card details carefully. This includes your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing address. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid any verification issues. Once done, tap Save or Continue. After that, Google Wallet will verify your card. This might involve a one-time verification code sent to your phone or email. Once the verification is complete, your Cash App Cash Card will be successfully added and ready to use. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add Cash App to Google Wallet. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.